Hi guys, it's FixUp here, and today I want to show you a little update about my S13. I'm about to manage all of this chaotic wiring work from the pre-owner. Right now I want to show you the interior, how the progress is going, because it is absolutely a mess and I want to make the best out of it. I had a turbo timer in there. I throw it out. I can show this to you. This here is the old exhaust that I showed you in the last video. So here you can see the turbo timer. It was in the car. Really don't want this, don't need this. I threw this out. Here I wanted to show you, I tried to polish the paint. Maybe you can see it here. It looks not that damaged than I thought, than it looks like here. So I think I can save it, maybe to make it look a lot better than it is right now. I know you can't see it that much in the video, maybe here in the sun. It's pretty damaged. And if you look over there, it looks a lot better. So this is something I want to figure out too. This is a complete pack of hoses, like water hoses, air hoses. I'll show you real quick. This is how it looks right now. The car is a little messy. All this wiring stuff is awful. This is what I did today. I threw out this because there were the gauges that I don't need. This is some wiring I already threw out of the car. And yes, here is the mess that the pre-owner did, and I'm about to make everything clean again. So here is the turbo timer. I want to fix this. It was mounted with this. In Germany we call them Stromdiebe. And yeah, not the cleanest way. The pre-owner also installed a center lock system in the car, that you can lock the car with key, but I don't know if I want to keep this or if I just threw it out, because already this is also a mess. Don't want to keep stuff like this. I had some wires here because of the extra gauges. The half of them wasn't even working. I don't want to run these. I want to make them function. And what I really want to have is oil pressure, air fuel ratio, and oil temperature. Maybe a boost gauge I add over here. Maybe I have a new this part. And yes, just a quick little update that you see how to not work on your car. Please don't do silly stuff like this. And please use the correct wires, because like you can see, those are not car wires. Those are for your home. I keep you updated. I hope you enjoyed this little progress, and see you. Bye bye.